This frog sure looks like Dotty, but...
What's she doing?
She's feeling the frog with special hairs on her legs that tell her exactly what kind it is.
Nope, definitely not Dotty. It's not even the right kind of frog. Dotty's a dotted humming frog. That's the only kind of frog that will protect my eggs. Hey, hold on. I was so worried about Dotty, I didn't notice that one of my eggs is missing too.
There's a missing frog and a missing egg.
Maybe there's a connection between the missing egg and Dotty. Better look for clues.
Hey!
What is it, Wally? You see a clue?
No, but I smell one, and it smells like ants. What? It's like when I worked on an ant farm one summer.
Huh. It does smell a little anty. Activate Stinkovision. Look, there's an ant smell trail leading away from the eggs. Ants must have snuck in here and taken one.
Oh no!
Come on, if we follow that smell trail, maybe we can find the missing egg and Dotty.
This smell trail will show us where the ants went.
This way!
There are the ants.
If we're really quiet, we could sneak up on them and...
Wally, dear! I spilled jam all over the toaster again! Mum, not now. We're sneaking up on some ants.
What was that? Who's there?
So much for sneaking. Come on, hold it right there, ants.
Where's that tarantula egg?
Oh, okay. We stole an egg.
But we don't have it anymore. Honest.
Yeah, a little gray frog came out of nowhere and took it away from us.
A frog?
Whiskers, that's it! When the tarantula came out to see if there were any predators, the ants snuck into the tarantula's burrow and stole one of her eggs. But it's Dotty's job to protect them, so he followed the ants into the jungle and took the egg back.
Huh. But where's Dotty now?
I don't know. He could have gone anywhere with that egg.
Oh dear, that poor little frog lost out there. Just like my poor little sluggo.
Huh. Wally, I think you just found a trail of frog slime. Dotty may have left it behind.
I did? I did?
It could lead us to Dotty. Follow that frog slime.
Dotty must have come this way.
Crikey! I've never heard so many frogs.
How are we ever going to figure out which one is Dotty?
Remember, Dotty's a spotted humming frog. He sounds like this. So we've just got to zero in on this sound. Nope. No. Not that one. Ah, bingo! I hear a spotted humming frog right over... there!
Dotty!
And he's got the egg.
Come on, little froggy. Time to get you home, where you'll be safe.
That owl just took Dotty!
Hang on, Dotty! We're coming!
Oh no! The owl's flying away!
Not if I can help it. Yeah! Don't worry, Dotty! Wally's got ya!
It's okay, Daddy. You're safe now.
That tarantula was right. Dotty, you belong back in her burrow where she can protect you. Come on.
Oh, Dotty, it's you! Oh, I was so worried. And you kept my